Getting into crypto as a beginner can seem pretty intimidating, especially when you're surrounded with these terms like blockchain, DeFi, altcoins, HODL, e-wallet, mining, and NFTs. But I'm here to tell you that it really is not as overwhelming as you would think. And today we're going to be going over 3 important topics for you to understand so that you can become a crypto master. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, as there will be much more content coming out in the future. Now, the first thing when getting into crypto as a beginner, you need to know that all cryptocurrencies are not the same. If you're just starting out, you've probably only heard of Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, or you've probably seen a video talking about Dogecoin as well. The thing to know is that every cryptocurrency holds a different purpose, and they all have different functions or solve different problems. For example, Bitcoin is setting off to be the digital equivalent of the gold reserve, while Ethereum is focused more on smart contracts and decentralized applications. So when looking at each coin, you can find the purpose of the blockchain to see if it has any value to you. The second thing you need to understand is setting up your e-wallet and being very protective over it. This is a crucial step when you're looking to invest in crypto, because an e-wallet is where you're going to be storing all of your funds. And there are many different types of wallets, such as hardware wallets, paper wallets, and in-exchange wallets. All of these wallets have good features, but it's very important to first understand your purpose of the wallet before choosing one. And finding a good e-wallet for you can be very simple. For more info on this, you can watch my previous video where I break down choosing a good e-wallet, and the link is in the description. And lastly, the third thing to remember is the importance of blockchain. Blockchain itself is a system in which a record of transactions in a cryptocurrency are made and maintained across several computers, and it's all linked in a peer-to-peer network. This network is what makes the entire system decentralized, which means that it's not run by any one government or company. The idea of this decentralized system is very attractive because this means that things cannot be swayed or skewed based on the decisions of one group of people. And as this technology continues to improve, we're going to be seeing blockchain implemented in so many more industries than just currency. Which is why the more informed you are about blockchain and how cryptocurrency works, the better you'll be later on. If this video was helpful at all, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.